Hey people, this movie called Bhoot the Haunted Ship, uh, starring Vicky Kaushal and Bhumi Pednekar. People, if you are the kind who like the horror genre, this is a movie you shouldn't miss. I mean, simply since the star cast itself is so alluring, yeah, like Vicky Kaushal and Bhumi Pednekar has shown us that she excels in a whole range of films. But my only grouse against this film is it's like within the movie there are subplots. Like I mean, it's the whole story of Vishal Kaushal, Vicky Kaushal, and Bhumi Pednekar itself can form a cute little love story. But then there is this whole paranormal angle that is brought in. So it's like a lot. They are trying to convey a lot in that time frame of the movie. So sometimes then the audience can end up feeling lost, and of course, even with regard to the thrill factor, there is, of course, it is uh, thrill. It's creepy, certain so that's what I mean. If you're brave enough to watch it, this is a movie you should watch. But yeah, like any film, it has certain drawbacks as in that's what very few movies get like a double thumbs up. So but yeah, this movie is very earnest in its attempt. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.